In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram account. So when you first download and open Telegram, this will be the screen that you see. So to make an account, you simply press on Start Messaging at the bottom. And then from here, it's going to ask you for your phone number. So you start off with your phone's country code. I'm from the UK, so mine is going to be +44. And then you enter the rest of your phone number. Once you've done that, press the blue arrow in the bottom right, and then confirm that you've got the right number. Press yes. Press continue, and then Telegram will ask you to access your phone call logs if you're on Android, so that they can automatically send you the message verification. I'm going to press allow, and then allow again. But if you don't, then you can just manually go into your messages to get the code. So we've had the code come through, and now it'll ask you for the profile info. So this is going to be your profile picture, and then your first and last name. So the last name is optional, but I'm just going to fill it in anyway and leave the profile picture blank. And then when you've done that, press the blue arrow in the bottom right again to agree to the terms of service. Press accept, and you'll see a welcome to Telegram message. Allow notifications, and that's how to create a Telegram account. Thank you for watching.